You are probably wondering, when did our hair grow this long and full? Is this really our hair? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this gorgeous high puff hairstyle with the hair that I received from FAMILOCS, a brand that specializes in Afro kinky bulk human hair and dreadlocks extensions, all human hair products. It came with a rattle comb and 3 crochet needles, which I'm sure can be used for dreadlocks. And they sent me 4 packs of their hair. This hair is a 20-inch Marley twist braiding hair. It has like a 4A, 4B hair texture. It is lightweight and the color is 1B natural black. It is versatile and can be used for various hairstyles like passion twist, butterfly locks, fox locks, bubble braids, and so on and so forth. To start this hairstyle, I have to put my clean hair in a high bun. Notice that I washed my hair the previous day and I slept with it in twist. This morning I took down the twist and that is why I have this beautiful twist out. So I'm going to put the hair in a high bun. Notice that my bun is not tight. It is very free because I don't want to lose my front hair. Then braid or twist the bun, then use an elastic band to hold it down. With a scissors, cut off the rubber bands from the ends of the hair. And now this is what it looks like. Now fix an elastic band like that. Then use another elastic band to pass through the hole. Then this is what you get. Now pull it up and this is what it should look like. You can either wear it from the front like this or wear it from the back. Make sure you watch this video to the end as I'll be showing you the 2 different results I got from wearing this hair from the back and also from the front. Here I am just using bobby pins to secure the hair in place. You can use as much bobby pins as you wish. Just make sure that the hair is firm and secure. Because I want this hair to look as natural as possible, I'll go ahead and separate the ends. While at it, I'm very careful and mindful of the way I am separating it because I don't want to spoil the hair. I intend to reuse this hair. In fact, I'm going to reuse it and reuse it and reuse it. Also, remember that this is not a synthetic hair. This is 100% human hair. So you treat it the way you treat your natural hair. You don't want your hair breaking or tangled. So make sure you're very careful and whenever this happens, cut it off. Continue to separate the ends one after the other. You don't have to separate all the ends, but you should be able to separate most of the ends because this is what will help the hair to look like your natural hair if you really want to have that very natural look. So that is what will help you to achieve that. When you're done, go with your edge control to keep the front hair neat. This is optional. If you're not an edge control person, you can skip this. Here I am basically using my fingers to fluff and arrange the hair at the same time. So you have to condition and arrange the hair the way you want it. So guys, if you love to purchase this hair, I'll be dropping the Amazon link and the discount code in my description box. You'll be able to get a discount on purchase that are over $50. Guys, don't sleep on this. So this is the final look. This is the result. It's very beautiful. It looks like my natural hair. This looks like my hair. This is the side view. Very beautiful. God. So guys, hold on, hold on, hold on. I am going to take off this hair and I'm going to wear it from the front. Remember, I talked about different ways you could wear the hair. So this time I'm wearing it from the front like this. Let's see what it is going to look like. That one has fallen out, taking that out. So here I'm just arranging. So you have to arrange it though. You have to arrange it. So now, notice that this one is touching my forehead. The other one did not touch my forehead. This is a different style on its own and it is beautiful. I think I like it. I love the two of them. I don't know which one to choose. They are both beautiful. So ladies, my gorgeous high puff using FAMILOCS 100% human hair Marley twist is ready. This looks exactly like my hair. I intend to make another video on how I reuse this hair extension. So if you love to keep up with my hairstyling videos, just click on the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel. Let me know what you think about this hairstyle in the comment section. Remember to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're yet to do so. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.